Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Emergent and how you can use it for free. In order to do so, here we are at emergent.sh. And what is Emergent all about? Well, you could build full stack web and mobile apps in minutes. We're going to go ahead and continue with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we're all logged in and ready to go. So, as far as free credits go, we do have some promotions here that are available now, but may not be it's just for Black Friday there. So let's take a look at buying credits. So we could see here that you can use Emergent for free. You do have 10 free monthly credits, which quite honestly doesn't necessarily add up to much, but it at least will get you somewhere, something to get you started and start playing around with. So if you want to start using Emergent for free, then all you have to do is come here and click start building, and you can start playing with Emergent. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI promotions, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights so that you can succeed. Click on the link there and you can get 60% off your first month subscription, and also check out our YouTube playlist that will tell you everything you need to know about Sintra. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.